Many people wonder what the stock market is. We often hear or read about the stock market, whether on news channels, in newspapers, or from others. However, there is a lot of confusion about what the stock market actually is. In this video, we will clear up this confusion once and for all. Let's find out what the stock market is. The term stock market is made up of two words, stock and market. We have already made a detailed video about what a stock is, so if you don't know about it, please watch that video. We understand that a stock means a share or a small part, and a market is a place where something is bought or sold. Therefore, the stock market is a market where shares or parts are bought and sold. Now the question arises, what parts or shares are bought and sold in the stock market? The answer is shares of companies. The stock market is where parts or shares of companies are bought and sold. Every company needs money to grow, and the stock market helps meet this need. Any company can collect money by selling a small part of itself in the stock market. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose Mr. Jet's company needs 1 crore rupees to grow. Mr. Jet divides his entire company into 10 crore equal parts and sets the price of each part at 1 rupee. Mr. Jet then sells 1 crore parts of his company in the stock market at 1 rupee per part, and this way, he collects 1 crore rupees to grow his company. So the stock market is a place where companies can collect money from the public. Now let's understand what benefits investors, meaning us, get from the stock market. We learned that companies collect money from the public in the stock market, and those who buy shares of companies become owners of a small part of that company, or in stock market terms, they become shareholders. Being an owner or shareholder doesn't mean that a part of the company is ours. It means that we share in the company's profits or losses. We can profit in two main ways after buying shares. First, if the companies we invested in grow, the price of our shares also grows, and we can sell those shares at a higher price to make a profit. Second, whenever a company makes a profit, it may choose to give a part of that profit to its shareholders as dividends. We have made a detailed video about dividends. Please watch that video as well. Let's take an example. Suppose we bought 100 shares of Mr. Jet's company at 1 rupee per share. After collecting 1 crore rupees, Mr. Jet grows his business very well, and in 3 years the price of one share of his company becomes 10 rupees. So we can sell the 100 shares we bought for 10 rupees per share after 3 years. This way we can make a profit of 900 rupees on an investment of 100 rupees. If the company we invested in doesn't grow and incurs losses, the price of Mr. Jet's company's shares might drop from 1 rupee to 50 paise, and we might face a loss on our investment. Therefore, always buy shares of good companies that can grow well in the long term. Share prices increase in the long term only if the company progresses well and increases its profit year by year. The stock market is a place where the public can invest their money in a company and become shareholders, sharing in the company's profits or losses. If you like this video, please like it. If you have any questions related to this video, please write them in the comment box below and we will answer your questions. To ensure you don't miss our upcoming videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Take care.